What's up, everybody? Today we have a very special announcement. We're talking about antimicrobial finishes. Okay, this is a very special announcement for us because we've been working on this for quite a little while. Basically, since this pandemic started, we were like, you know what, we have to come up with a solution for our touch hardware. So I'm not going to pretend to tell you that I understand the science behind this, but what I can tell you, and I'm sure we can all understand this, is that some of the biggest offenders for spreading germs are these touch surfaces like drawer pulls and handles and door handles. So what we've done is we have coated some of our most popular pulls with a clear lacquer. The active ingredient is a silver and a zinc compound or composite, and it's going to basically create like an extra coating where these bacteria, these microbes, they don't settle into the porous surface there. It kills 99.9% of bacteria within a 24-hour period. So this was tested against a control with no coating, and it was proven to kill the 99.9%. We're starting off with our DP3 series, and I'm sure a lot of you probably know this pull. This is by far one of our most popular parts for drawer pulls. It's nice because it has a nice flush fit. You can mortise it into the top of the drawer, and it will sit flush with the surface. It's really low profile. It has a bead roll on the front, so you can get some good leverage on that for opening. We're starting with some of our most popular sizes: the 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. Okay, and you can see these finishes are fairly similar, but this one here is a satin nickel, and this is a satin chrome. And they both have that clear lacquer on it to make them antimicrobial. And we're going to start slowly introducing more parts with this finish, some of our door handles, other drawer pulls. So stay tuned for that. But as of today, these are on the website. It's DP3 A, B, or C, and then /AM. And I'm sure you can guess what the AM stands for. That's for antimicrobial. So come by and check it out at mockit.com, and thanks for checking us out. We'll see you next time.